or welcome back to my channel. My name is Revati Baba, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, then please go subscribe to my channel and you're not gonna regret it. Also, in my last few videos back in my Grofers haul, I had spoken that I was gonna make a Shein haul later, but as I've seen the response on my Zara haul, it seems you guys love my haul videos more, so I'm gonna be making the Shein haul, this is gonna be a part 1. Part 2 will be whenever I go back to Sangamnera and get all my stuff back. So if I make only one video on Shein haul, then it's gonna be quite a long haul. So that's why I'm gonna make this one a part 1. And yeah, so without wasting any more time, let's just get right away into the video. This stuff like almost 4 to 5 months back, or even more than that. I don't even remember when I got all this stuff, but yeah, I got it long time back. Also, I don't know if these products are gonna be available right now on Shein or not, I don't know, but yeah, I just thought I'll share it with you guys. Also, I had bought some outfit, keeping Goa in my mind, because I was gonna plan a trip to Goa, and so I got some beach outfits. So yeah, so as I told you in the intro already that I was planning for a beach vacation, that's why I also ordered a bikini. I ordered this gorgeous neon orange, bikini, and it is of like such a good quality. Also, it is so vibrant, and also for people who are not comfortable wearing bikinis, this mesh that is going on the lower part is really very amazing. It would make you feel comfortable, because even I'm not that comfortable wearing bikinis. I always wear a cover up. I only remove like the cover up for my pictures, but otherwise the whole time I am wearing a cover up. I just can't be wearing only my bikini. It makes me very uncomfortable. So yeah, so I got it solely for this net part, because it will make you feel comfortable, also will not make you feel that you're showing too much of skin. So yeah, I love it. Also, I got it in medium size, and I'm not heavy on my bust area. So the medium size is very big for me. It's so loose that it's almost like this top will fall off, and it would be like a wardrobe malfunction or whatever they say that. So yeah, I'm just upset about the medium size, but that's my fault. If I would have got it in small size, which I'm regularly a normal small size person, but I didn't get a small size because actually only medium size was available. That's why I got it only in medium. It's actually the size issue, not other than that. I got it for something 700 rupees something. All the prices and the sizes will be mentioned here somewhere on the screen, so go check that out. And yeah, the bikini is awesome. Also, पता नहीं कब गोवा जाने मिलेगा और कब ये पहनने मिलेगा. It's just gonna till then sit in my wardrobe. But quality amazing. The color is so much in trend, and everything about this bikini is just awesome. Also, please excuse me for the mess that you'll see in the background. I'm sorry, but I'm very tired. Like, I cannot do cleaning anymore. I've been cleaning my wardrobe since such a long time. I keep cleaning, messing. I'm fed up now. Just gonna let it be like that. Please excuse me for that. Continuing to the beachy outfits, I'm gonna show you this pink crochet material dress, and the material, the size, everything about this dress is perfect. I bought it to wear it in Goa, which I don't know कब मिलेगा पहनने को. But anyways, ये ड्रेस मेरे विश लिस्ट में बहुत टाइम से था, like बहुत टाइम से, and then finally मैंने सोचा यार सेल पे था ले लेती हूँ, तो I got it for something 700-800 और कुछ तो भी, but extra small size ही थी सिर्फ, तो मैंने सोचा वैसे भी ले लेती हूँ, अभी एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल नहीं हुआ तो देख लेंगे. तो लकीली मेरे को बहुत अच्छे से ये फिट होता है, लाइक विदाउट एनी कंप्लेन. आई हैव नो कंप्लेन विद द फिटिंग. एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल साइज है ये. नॉर्मली मुझे स्मॉल साइज आती है, बट इस एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल आ गई. मटेरियल एकदम अच्छा है. इसके नीचे लाइनिंग भी है, सो एक अच्छी बात है. और ये जो क्रोशे मटेरियल है, यू हैव टू वेयर समथिंग अंडरनीथ ऑब्वियसली, अदरवाइज योर स्किन विल बी विजिबल. अदर देन दैट, एवरीथिंग इज परफेक्ट अबाउट दिस ड्रेस, एंड I can't wait to wear this gorgeous dress. Like, I love this dress. I recommend you guys definitely check this piece out. You will not regret buying this. It's like the perfect beachy dress. And yeah, also lately I'm obsessed with the color pink. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm obsessed. really with the color pink. So I got one more in color pink, this beautiful dress. It's a neon pink dress, and this color is very much in trend right now. If you check out Shein's website, you'll see this all over the website. It's an awesome one piece for clubbing night or for, you know, the day also you can wear this one piece. It's really nice. I like the cutout detailing of the ear going on. Also the material is really thick and it's nice, you know. It's a perfect dress and it was for an amazing price. So yeah, I have no complaints with this. Now the next and the last one piece that I got is this one. This also I actually got it in an extra small size, but it kind of fits me. It's very tight on me, but I love the dress. The quality is amazing. I got it from my friend's phone, so that's why right now I don't have the screenshot, you know, posted here. But I got it on sale, like the flash sale that keeps going on Shein's page every single day. I got it on, like I got it from that time, and I got it for 300 or like something in that range, only 300ish. So I got this. It's a normal, you know, velvet dress. There's nothing much to say. The quality is amazing, and for 300 rupees, dude, what do you even expect, right? So, and it's got a back like this, as you can see. I'll try it on and show it to you guys, but I love this dress. I can't wait to wear it whenever. I don't know when I'll get to wear, but I can't wait to wear. The next product that I got is this crop top, which is amazing. It's like, for the price, it's amazing. The quality is amazing. It's soft, and I can also wear this as a blouse on sarees. And I'm someone who is obsessed with wearing sarees. If you can't tell already from my Instagram, if you're not following me on Instagram, then go follow me now. The username is gonna be here somewhere. Go follow me on Instagram. And this is an amazing crop top. Like, it's a basic red crop top, tie knot crop top. I love it. Nothing much to say. Now the next thing is, I got that the red crop top and these shorts and a denim skirt that I'm going to be showing for a video, which I'm not going to disclose, you know, because I want that to be a surprise. That's the first of one of a kind video that I'm going to be doing, which I'll do it in future once I get my stuff from Someone Made back. So yeah, for that purpose I got these products. So this is a biker shorts, gym shorts, or whatever you can call, basic shorts. Achhi quality ka hai again. There are pockets as well. You can keep anything you want, but if you're gonna run, then it might fall. But yeah, the quality is amazing. It fits me loose, but yeah, other than that part, this is nice, and it comes till my knees. So yay. The skirt that I was talking about is this denim skirt. As you can see, material काफी अच्छा है. Like really, the material is amazing. The fit is kind of loose on me, but yeah, I'll make it work. I'll wear a belt or something. So yeah, it's an amazing denim skirt, a basic denim skirt. As you can see, there's nothing much to say. It's got frayed, it's got distress over at the bottom, and it's got two pockets behind. And yeah, it's a light blue denim skirt, a basic one, and you can definitely style this in a million ways. Now for my styling videos that I post on Instagram, for that I needed a black skirt, so I got this one from Shein. As you can see, it's a basic, you know, black skirt. There's nothing much to say about it. It's quite thick, like the material is very thick, and it's not itchy. The material is good, and it's also got a belt, as you can see. And yeah, I love this skirt. It's amazing, and it's of a decent length, so not something that I'll be uncomfortable of. So I love this skirt. And now the last clothing piece is this black basic top. As you can see, I'm gonna wear it and show it to you, so don't worry about that. And yeah, it's got V neckline, and I love V neckline. Also, it's got these adjustable straps, as you can see, and it's kind of a see-through, but since it's black color, your skin is not going to see like be seen that much. And I again bought this for a, you know, video idea that I have, which I won't be talking about. You'll see that whenever I post wearing this on my YouTube channel soon. I hope I get to post that video, because I'm very excited about that. Yeah, so that's about it. These are all the clothes that I bought from Shein, and all of them are amazing. Also, I don't know when I'm gonna get to wear them, but I can't wait. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to comment down below which outfit was your favorite, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be next Friday. So stay tuned, stay happy, stay positive, and bye.